Hey guys, it is day 13. Piggy's on pasture. Probably their last day on this section. But today we have a little extra issues because we had a cold front come in with really high winds, which created a pig pen. So, Kyson and I are going to work on getting the pig pen flipped back over and put back where it's supposed to be, underneath this tree over here. And so these guys can have their cover. So here we go. Okay, so we got it flipped back over. We found majority of the stakes, but they're not going to be much use. Thankfully, the winds pretty much died down as far as the heavy wind for the night, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Threw some new hay in there, which they're going to go through and eat some, tear up some, but then they'll end up sleeping. It'll kind of look like this, which will turn into really good fertilizer as it decomposes. So now we can look over here what they've done today. They're really clearing this out. The weeds, you can see some grass that's getting some sun, so it's coming green. The leftover of the pumpkins that they've eaten, but they pretty much done over here. We could leave them here probably for another 2 days, 3 days, until they get rid of all of that and work it up like they did back here. Because back here, it's worked up really well. In through here, they're starting to, but up here, they haven't done a lot. So we'll have to come in and kind of probably cultivate that a little bit. And then we'll throw some seed down. So tomorrow, we'll build our new paddock right over there and start working our process down the pasture through there. But as of now, we're at the end of day 13. We got our deal fixed back up. We're gonna have to do something different. It's way too tall. We just threw it together with what we had, which was a cattle panel and the tarps. So we'll work on a different prototype for when the weather gets cold. We'll take that apart and redo it much smaller, lower to the ground. Because like I said, they're pigs. They're small. They don't need that whole top area as much as they need that bottom area, which is what they really like. Huh. So there they go, getting in the hay, eating it, getting big. You have a great evening.